Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to fix FC25 crashing and black screen on your PC. First, uninstall Cheat Engine if you have it installed. Cheat Engine can interfere with the game's performance, leading to crashes or black screens. Make sure to remove it completely from your PC. Next, stop boosting your FPS if you are using any FPS boosting software or settings. While it might seem helpful, these tweaks can cause instability in the game, leading to crashes. After that, repair the game files. Open the game launcher like Steam or Origin, find FC25 in your library, and look for the option to verify or repair the game files. This will fix any corrupted files that might be causing the game to crash. Now, update your GPU drivers. Then go to your graphics card manufacturer's website, Nvidia, AMD, etc., and download the latest drivers for your card. Having outdated drivers is a common reason for game crashes and black screens. Finally, check if your PC is overheating. If your system is running too hot, it can cause FC25 to crash or display a black screen. Make sure your fans are working properly and consider cleaning out dust or adjusting your cooling settings to keep your PC at a safe temperature. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.